This is the Easy Fit translucent Indian autumn stone that's been fitted into a solid oak dining table. The sheet sizes are 2.4, so we've actually maxed the table at 2.4, but you can have them cut smaller. The translucent stone, depending on which colour LEDs you go for underneath, we have used a panel which then distributes the light evenly. So we can have it as a set colour, depending on what suits the colour scheme in your house. You can make them colours richer or warmer, cooler, whichever, and you can also have them on a wave, or you can just go for the standard warm white LEDs. This table is run off a battery which lasts at least a good 8 hours, so enough for you to dine, and then we charge it up. As we didn't have a socket directly underneath, you can have it wired straight in if you do have a nearby socket, or you can have a battery under the table which is hidden away. There are lots of different options of colours in the translucent stone, which are all available to see on the website, and we also can send you out samples to see which ones are better for you.